and I wish you a lifetime of laughter and joy.
I am so glad to be part of this journey with you two and can't wait to see what life has in store for you guys. I grew up with Derek since we were kids and have gotten to see him change from a child to a slightly more mature child. I'm so proud of these two and what they have accomplished. Thak has been nothing but kind and open-hearted to all of us.
She's very creative, lovely, and caring person. Congratulations to our lovely daughter and son-in-law. God bless you all.